My name is Jonathan Katz-Moses. I'm the CEO of Katz-Moses Tools. We're located here in Santa Barbara, California, where we have a 33,000 square foot warehouse. We develop tools, we produce and manufacture woodworking supplies, and we have a YouTube channel where we shoot educational content about woodworking. I'd always wanted to build things, and as a kid I developed car stereos and speakers. Fast forward, I moved to Santa Barbara and started a Christmas light installation company, a construction company. I was a bartender, and I was a victim of a violent assault. I stopped about 8 to 10 gang members from killing a couple. I paid very dearly and almost died. It was in my recovery that I realized that I was very unhappy with what I was doing in life, and I decided I was no longer going to do anything that didn't make me happy. So I left both companies, walked away, and decided that I was going to build furniture. I started a journey, and it was shortly thereafter I made my first product, the Katz-Moses magnetic dovetail jig. And at the time it was just to help me do something that I was having a ton of trouble with. I couldn't figure out how to do it. And so I started making these guide blocks, and they came together, and eventually I said, you know what, this helped me so much, I bet other people would want to see this. It was then that I made a YouTube channel and made a video about it, and the response was insane. That first video, I sold 27 of them on my website, and I felt like I was king of the world. And I knew that that's what I wanted to do. So I started woodworking and documenting my journey, and somehow I found a community of people that wanted to hear what I had to say and try the tools that I made. We launched a product that was a universal router jig, and we manufactured it entirely in our shop on a 5x5 CNC with no vacuum table, no tool changer. And when we launched that, we sold 5,000 units. So I personally had to manufacture 5,000 units with 2 tool changes in each operation. So I had to zero out every time, and I was frustrated. So I bought a machine that someone convinced me would solve all my problems. It was a wonderful industrial manufacturing machine. But it got here and it was cheap. It walked across my warehouse when we ran programs. It took 20 minutes to warm up and put in the tools and home everything, and it was frustrating. And I knew that it didn't solve my problems. We were barely doing better than we were with the 5x5. And so I started to look around for other solutions. And I reached out to a friend of mine, Mike Coffey, who had a Laguna, and I said, how is it? What do you think? And he's like, brother, this is gonna solve all your problems. Like, everything you're talking about, it does so well. So I reached out and got in touch with Matt over at Laguna, and he showed me some machines, and I bought one. The first machine we got was the Smart Shop 2 Elite with the Fanuc servos and Fanuc control, which, oh man, it is unbelievable to have a machine that just always knows where it is. And it was so game-changing for my company. I mean, our speed went up 3-4x. It was so valuable to my company that I bought 2 more 6 months later. So, downtime is the biggest concern for a company like mine. We don't care what brand name's on it just needs to work well. And Laguna has fulfilled that promise. We don't have downtime. And when we do, we can get a hold of somebody. We get parts overnighted. Luckily for us, we have a tech a couple hours away, but they're always happy to help. But I can count on one hand the amount of times we've been down in 3 years, and usually it was just consumables that needed to be replaced. I think the common adage is, a CNC is an employee you don't have to pay, and of course that's true, and it's more true than people even realize. But what happens, I think, is people see the price and they see it as an expense. But it's an investment, and it's an investment that pays dividends immediately. I've never had a machine that I bought, whether it's a CNC or the 3 Laguna lasers we have, or the dust collector, anything that we've bought production-wise, it didn't pay for itself in just a few months. And so you need to realize that to grow, you need to invest. If you're not delegating the things that don't grow your business, then you just own a full-time job. So a CNC is an investment in growth. A CNC is an investment in production, and it's an investment in profit, right? The more you can automate, the more time you have to spend on the things that really matter. You'd have to be nuts to start a company. You'd have to be absolutely insane, but that's what it takes. You have to have the drive, the desire to win so much that you're willing to fail over and over and over again, because winning is just succeeding one more time than you failed. And you really have to want it, but boy, those wins feel so good. Waking up in the morning and a video goes live with a new product, and sales and response is insane, and people are so excited about an innovation you've created or something you've designed. There is no high like it. I try and never forget the frustrations I had with buying tools that were recommended to me by content creators or Amazon, and I'd buy them hoping they were going to solve this problem I had, but they just didn't. And so I get really excited about developing tools that people are gonna love. Like, it is so important to me to deliver real actionable information and tools that people can use in their shop today. They're gonna give them the same joy that I had when I was getting started, and I found something that actually solved a problem that I had.